Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Continuing on with our in-house made bathroom signs. These are thick gauge metal signs that we had made by one of our partners at the Mantiques Network. And he's using different logos for like gas station signs that you would have seen back in the day. Even using the antique white to give it the porcelain look, but these are really, really cool. They're 20 inches long. If you've got a gas and oil collection, you'd like something really cool for the walls, check out this and the other signs that we've been listing.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the